Have you ever wished that you could 3D print Wi-Fi antenna patterns? If you're like us, you've always wished for a way to print antenna patterns for teaching examples, to help customers visualize Wi-Fi designs, or just for the fun of it. Now, with Hamina Network Planner, you can. For select access points and antenna vendors, visit the 3D antenna pattern viewer in Hamina Network Planner and click on the Download button. You can look at the model in preview for macOS, but ultimately, we'll need to do a little bit of processing the model to prepare it for 3D printing. For this, we'll use Prusa Slicer, which is free and open source, has some very advanced processing functions, and is compatible with tons of 3D printers. After dragging and dropping the model file into Prusa Slicer, accept the slicer's offer to switch the units of measurement from inches to millimeters. Next, use the Scale tool to enlarge the model. In this case, we went for about 1/4 of the build volume of our original Prusa Mini. 3D prints work best when there's a large, flat surface on the model to stick to the build plate. So for this antenna, we'll use the brand new Cut tool in Prusa Slicer 2.6 to split the model in half. First, position the cut line in the middle of the part and set both parts to be placed on the cut. Next, click the Add Connectors button, select dowels, and configure the dowel sizes. Your settings may vary, but for the size of the antenna that we're printing, we chose an 8mm depth and an 8mm dowel size. To create the dowels and holes, click on the face of the split part. You can right-click on a dowel to remove it, and you can click and drag to reposition dowels as needed. Once you're done, click Confirm Connectors and Perform Cut. If everything worked correctly, you're now ready to slice the part and send it to the printer. And of course, you get bonus points if you send the G-code over Wi-Fi. Once the print is done, assembly is just a matter of firmly pressing all the parts together. In our case, we didn't need any glue or adhesives thanks to Prusa Slicer's dowel feature. Printable antenna patterns are available for Exceltex, Ventev, and Extreme Networks. If you're an access point or antenna vendor and you want your antenna patterns to be downloadable for printing, get in touch with us at support@hamina.com. Happy printing and happy Wi-Fi designing!